Do you want to learn how to create this type of text fill animation in CapCut? Let's begin. Start by importing your image or video to the timeline. For me, I want to create one in CapCut, so I will go to stickers, then I will go to shapes. I will choose a square shape by dragging it to the timeline. Then I'm going to resize the shape to fit the canvas. So this will serve as my background. If you have any video or photo in mind, you can just move it directly to the timeline. Then I'll come to fill, then color, then I will change it to this color. You can choose any color of your background. For me, I will just leave it at this color right here. Next, I want to increase this to my liking. I'll just leave it somewhere here. Then I'll click on it, right click, create compound clip. So this will serve as my background. Now let's add the text. Go to the text tab, add the default text. Then you come to this box here and type in what you want. For me, I will type something like this, text animation. This is just an example. You can type anything that you want. Come to the font, change the font to your liking. You can increase the font size here. Then I want to make it bold. I will choose bold. Next, I want to extend this layer of the text to the end of my clip here. Yeah. Next, duplicate this text layer. Press Alt key in your keyboard, then drag upward. Now we have two layers of text which are exactly the same thing. So let's hide the first one here so that we can work well with this bottom one here. So I've hide the first one. Click on the second one. Alright, make sure this bottom layer is selected. Right now the color of the bottom layer is white. Let's change it to different color. Let's choose the blue color. Yeah. Next, scroll down until you find this option that says stroke. You want to check on it. Then right now the color of the stroke is black. Let's change it to a different color. For the stroke, I will choose this color right here. Next, go to the thickness. Right now you see that the thickness is too much. Let's reduce that to 15. Yeah, 15. Next, make sure the bottom clip is still selected. Right click, then go to create compound clip. Let's remove the background. Make sure it is still being selected. Go to the video category, remove BG, then chroma key. Take the color picker to remove this blue color. This will leave alone the outline. Make sure it is still selected. Then if you come here, you can change the color to something that you want. For me, I will just leave it at the white color. Do the same thing, right click, then create compound clip. Now move the play to the beginning of the clip. Go to the video category, mask, then add mask, choose the split option. Now rotate it slantly to match the text. You can see the way the text is being slanted. That is how your line should also slant to make it align with the text. Now move the mask to the beginning of the clip like this. Go to the mask setting, click on this diamond shape to add the first keyframe. Next, move the playhead to like somewhere here. Next, go back to the mask, then move the mask to the right to add the second keyframe. To make it look smoother, go to the second keyframe, right click, then choose show up presets. Make sure you choose this one that says quad ease. And that is it. You have successfully created the text animation. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I will see you in my next video.